I hope you really enjoyed the book A Tiger Grows Up that was written by Anastasia Sewin. This is a really good book to read, especially after we just read a book about an imaginary tiger named Leo. Now, Leo, he was practicing skills like writing his name and in reading, but real tigers, they don't do those kind of things. They have to learn how to survive on their own from their parents. And so in our book Leo the Late Bloomer, he could talk to his mom and dad and they could teach him different things, but real life animals, they can't communicate that way. And so I want you to think, after reading the book, how do you learn from your parents? Do they talk to you? Do you watch them? Do they have you do things with them? How do you learn from your parents? Once you've thought about that, I want you to think, what is something that you learned from your parents? I went ahead and I thought about this too. And I made this picture. This is a picture of my mom right here and me when I was a little girl. And I used to love watching my mom make cinnamon rolls and bread. I used to sit at the table and I'd watch her knead the dough in our big metal pan, and I loved the smell of the yeast mixing together. And after she got the dough all made, she would always let me help her cut the cinnamon rolls, and we'd use a big white string. And so I still do that with my kiddos today, and I'm teaching them how to make cinnamon rolls just like my mama taught me. So I learned how to make cinnamon rolls by watching and helping my mom. Again, once you have done your response to the text, A Tiger Grows Up, you can post a video or a picture to let us know how you learned from your parents or your family and what important skills you've learned from them.